I'm Ritika. Welcome back to BeautiCo. Today in this video, I'm going to be showing you the products that I love to do my eyebrows in 2019. So let's quickly get started. Okay, so in 2019, I just did not use any kind of pomades. In 2018, I was doing my brows with pomades and they were like super duper bold. I used to love them at that time, but after a while, I was like, they're looking very unreal, so I wanted them to look a little bit real, so I started trying out different things. So I started off with the Lakme Absolute Eyebrow Pencil. Now this was in the shade Expresso and this is what it looks like. Okay, it has a spoolie and the other end is the eyebrow pencil. I'm going to show you the beautiful texture it had. So it was perfect like for my eyebrows. It was not too creamy. It was more like a pencil formula, which is perfect for doing eyebrows. But now the drawback was this was available only once and it was never available in the market. So I was like, if this gets over, I won't be able to repurchase it. So I was like, let me try something else. But I absolutely love this. You don't get it right now, but I just wanted to show you that this was the product that switched my eyebrow game. Okay, so I was like, let's move on to powders. So when Nykaa launched their Wow My Brow eyebrow palette, I started using it firstly and I didn't really have anything in mind. I was just doing the video and I tried out this particular shade with this brush that I've been using since years. This is the Faces Canada mascara and eyebrow brush. A lot of you asked me about this brush. So it has this angled end and it has a spoolie. So this is like perfect to do your eyebrows. And then like I started using this and this is such a good product, you guys. This particular shade for my eyebrow hair, because it's the perfect shade. It matches my hair to color as well. It is not like very pigmented. It's perfectly pigmented and powdery to do your eyebrows. Now eyebrow powders have a very different texture than eyeshadows. They are a little bit more sheer. They are not like completely sheer. They are a little bit sheerer than eyeshadows and a little bit more, you can say, powdery than eyeshadows, the normal eyeshadows. So this one is like the perfect formula to do my eyebrows and I use this every single day. I have this in my purse, I have this in my vanity, and I have this brush every single where I go. So yeah, this is like my perfect combination to do my brows. I have done my brows with this one itself. And then another pencil that I absolutely loved and I keep in my purse is the K Beauty eyebrow pencil and I'm in the shade Walnut. Now this is again a beautiful eyebrow pencil. Let me just show it to you. So again, the formula on this is that perfect eyebrow pencil formula. And it's perfect to do my eyebrows in like that hair-like structure and give that very natural looking eyebrows. So I keep this in my purse. If I'm not wearing any kind of makeup, I'm actually doing my eyebrows with this eyebrow pencil. So yeah, another amazing product. The only thing that this eyebrow pencil does not have is a spoolie. So I just keep another spoolie in my purse so that I can brush my hair, because that is really important for me. So yeah, these were the products that I used in 2019 the most to do my brows. I'm gonna go now and I'm gonna meet y'all in the next video with some eyeshadows. Until then, bye!